Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you a really special device here. This is a cube socket with USB powered and a standard socket size. And it looks like an a device which you can use to boil eggs. It's a desktop power strap by Beautiebeam. We have 4-way multiple socket with an USB and a 2 Type-C ports, 16 ampere, 3680 watt power sockets with a dust protection, multi-plug surge protection, and a 2-meter extension cable. And it comes in a black red design. With here a 71 power strap equipped with AC sockets and 2 USB-C ports and a USB-A port. This power strap with surge protection protects connected devices. With the multi-plug, with a nice switch function as it looks like an egg. A red egg, an Easter egg for something else. With the multiple plug, we can use it as a switch. We can turn all socket on or off at the push of a button. The power strap comes with 2-meter extension cable. This is enough for the most stuff which we're going to use it. And with 2 10-watt USB-C ports and 1 10-watt USB-A port, we can connect the cable for instant charging. It's sort of for the most devices out there, because the USB-C port allows for more instant charging of the mobile phone, tablets, and other devices. And it's safe and reliable, because the multi-socket with USB has passed the CE and RoHS certification and uses advanced fireproof materials. When the power supply is overloaded, overheated, short-circuit, the reliable overload switch will automatically trigger to protect our devices. This is the power strip with switch. The power strip has a switch, so we can just need to press on the switch to turn off the power. The dust cover can prevent the dust from entering into the interface and thus avoid the bad contact and the short-circuit problems of a socket. The power strap has 7 points where we can use these sockets or an USB port as we need it, because the cable do not to get tangled, because they are strong. It's suitable for use in various scenarios, such as in the office. You can use this all in the kitchen, in the bathroom, in the bedroom, in the sleeping room, where you are going to need an extended cord with a socket. You can use this easy peasy. We made the table tidier and more organized at the same time with such a nice design. We have 4 double plug sockets, 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A port. Multiple occasion, multiple uses, of course, for a variety of stuff. We can use it, we can have fun with it, and we can have it at the Easter time for a nice decoration. And of course, you can get it all year young to use it for an extended run. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Done.